This video tutorial will be the first in a series of tutorials that will be put together for the Project 2 in the 3D Architectural Modeling class. It references the handout that was given to you in class. Very important that you begin this project with the proper template. Just to remind you, what we talked about in class was that this needs to be a commercial template. If you start with a commercial template, you'll have all of the resources needed to complete this project. We're going to begin by setting up our levels first. To do that, I'm going to go into an elevation view. And referencing the handout, the elevation view that we have placed on our final drawing set will be the north elevation. So I'm going to go into the north elevation view. And it's in here I'm going to go in and use some of the existing levels to modify them and create the levels that are required for our project. First off, I'm going to work down at the bottom and work upward. So the bottom of footing level is going to be at 2'4" below grade. So we'll edit that one. Top of footing will be at a -1'4". The main level, we'll go ahead and change the level 1 to say main level. Remember, anytime you rename a level, it will come up with this dialog box asking you if you would like to rename the corresponding view, and you should always say yes here unless you have a good reason not to. Main level elevation will stay at level 0. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up just a little bit using these drag handles and adding elbows so that my elevation titles are not on top of each other. A level that needs to get created that we don't have existing right now in this template is the grade level. So I'm going to go ahead and make that grade level at this time. On the Architecture tab, there is a level tool, and it will be between the main level and the bottom, or excuse me, top of footing level. We'll rename that to be grade. And yes, we'd like to rename the corresponding view, and we'll make it 4 inches below the main level. So that sets everything up below grade. Now let's work upward. From there, it looks like above the main level, I'll have a top of storefront level. So I'll go ahead and create that. And that elevation is at 8 foot. I also have a roof 2 level above that, but let's go ahead and use this roof level that's already created, and we'll rename it roof 1 and set it where it needs to go. That elevation should be at 23.8. And then when I come to create my roof 2 level, it will automatically name that what I would like it to be named. That elevation for roof 2 is 11.9. We also have a mezzanine level that we need to get created. That will be above our roof 2 level. Its elevation is 12 feet. We may want to come in and add an elbow there and take it upward. May need to adjust that a little later as well when we get the rest in. So there's our mezzanine level. After the mezzanine level, we'll do a top of parapet 1. So you remember from our discussions in class that a parapet is a portion of the wall that extends above the roof line. That elevation is 26 feet. And then we'll have a top of parapet 2 for our office area. Which will be at an elevation of 15 feet. Again, maintaining a professional look, we'll adjust some of these elevations lines so that we're not on top of each other with our text. So just reviewing again, we should have a top of parapet 1 at 26 feet, a roof 1 level at 23.8, top of parapet 2 at 15 feet, mezzanine level at 12, roof 2 at 11.9, top of storefront at 8 foot, the main level at 0 elevation, grade at -4 inches, and then top of footing and bottom footing. Everything looks good there. We've now created all the levels that will be necessary for us to model our project 2.